now you want to start with you know if finish. So you know see, come you want to start with you know if finish. So tell your brother, and this idiot person will come so may know about that and not by them. I know what you thought you need to wait. You submit Canada process they go on. The 3 million when you pay, I don't return them back to you. I don't know what your stupid brother they coming for say now so me block you, you know they hear from me. Please, oh, I just got to beg you. I just got to beg you, Sarah. I don't know the kind of friendly enemy where you be. Oh. You be a friendly enemy. I said, make I tell you, you be a friendly enemy. Oh. Take time. Oh. Second time live video that you want to go. And I dey wait for you for that one. I dey wait for you for that one. The second lifetime live video presenter. Now you want to go meet. I dey wait for you. My wife dey here when they tell you this one. I see the reason why when you ask Esther for favor, when the papa die, we run leave you because you are not to be trusted. I just tell you, you not be person where they trust. Come into my house that time, they follow my wife, they play. You are not to be trusted. You say that. The brother call me, no fear. He says since me block and me block you, you never hear from me since and everything. How you want to get your sister money? They go and say that you are a bastard. May go to live video. I dey wait for them, me go. Me dey wait for the two of them, me go live video. Your application there, but go track them. I dey wait for them. You know my house for the if I dey lie, maybe they get people, they me block you. You say you never hear from me since that last time. I block you, I want to follow you to talk. To yesterday, this morning you write me, you're on my WhatsApp. That idiot guy. Anyway, I'm not blaming enough for that.
Good morning. My name is Sarah Cryôut, Hayward's friend. I met Destiny Ebagwa through Hayward, which is my friend. My very close friend. Very, very close. He told me his husband is doing travel for people. I told him I would like to go to UK just to go and come back. He said that's not an issue. The husband will do it for me. At the end of the day, he introduced me to the husband. I met with the husband, we discussed, and he charged me 2.5 million naira. And I gave him 2.5 million naira. I was waiting. At the end of the day, nothing. So, my friend Edward, even in a marriage, I planned it with her to make sure the marriage holds, to make sure she's okay. We are so close. I'm even the one that picked their marriage money to see, to tell you how close we are. So I did not believe they would do me this kind of thing. At the end of the day, he said US own has come again. So I send him money again for the US. 5.5 million naira. He tell me, say, make her not worry. He go do am. I can't say the UK. He say, man, not worry. He go do the UK one for me. I can't say, okay, no problem. I trust him because Edward na my very close friend when I don't know for years. I not believe say my friend husband go fit play me wayo or to treat me this way. Now I give Destiny Ebagwa. Before I give her money, I dey tell Edward. Now I give Destiny Ebagwa 5.5 million for the US. At the end of the day, nothing. The next thing, I see Edward, Esther, Destiny Ebagwa for Canada. I say, I got Destiny, what will happen? You don't do my own. He say, in Canada they go, not the US. I say, but if I say use the US money, do Canada for me now. You understand? He say, this one in Canada, they know they use US money, do Canada own. Because I so much believe on my friend. This matter I'm telling you, since 2021, that was when they did the UK own. 2021, September. So, I said how much the Canada own. No, before I said how much, he said if you get Canada, you get US, you get UK. Not be bad thing now. At least you go here, since you say you don't want to stay abroad. I say, okay, no problem. You know, money why I say they do business, I pack everything. I go sell my good. I give Destiny money, 3 million naira for the Canada. At the end of the day, nothing, zero. I was crying. I'm a single mother. I struggle before I get my money. I have nothing I'm doing now, no business now because the whole money don't finish. Destiny and Edward, please, they should give me my money. I don't believe say they go fit do me this kind of thing. That is why I run on this platform. Abat or Baze, please help me. Help me. Help me because my heart is so heavy. Please help me to collect this money from Edward and the husband, which is Destiny Ibagwa Osarugwe. I need my money from them. They should return back my money. The 3 million naira was returned back to me for the Canada. Then he now gave me 500,000 when I wanted to pay my daughter's school fees in BIU. Please, I need your help. I need your help, sir. Please help me to collect my money from Destiny Ibagwa. Thank you.
So, the estate update that they get this morning, they say he will scam in way the native daughter when they do juju for her, when they do ogun for her, he scam the native daughter brother 12.5 million to carry them come London. Two people, they never see embassy for eye.